How to make a Google account. Creating or signing up for a new Google account is a fairly simple process. You can do this using help of any browser. I will just use Google Chrome for this video. Now, after you open up your browser, you can just go to google.com or gmail.com, any of the Google services website. Once you're here, you might see this type of options right here. At the top, you can say sign in. Tap the sign in button. But of course, we don't have an account to sign in. So to create an account, go to the option that says create account. You can select for personal use, for your child, or for your work or business. I'll select for personal use. Now, simply choose the name that you wish to use, and you can also choose the last name for your Google account, then tap on next. Then go about selecting your date of birth for your Google account. So let me go ahead and do that. Then go ahead and also select your gender. Then tap the next option again. Now it will ask you to choose your username. This will most likely act as your email address. So you would like to be very careful on selecting this right here. So once you've made sure of this as well, so this is going to also remain as your email address when someone wants to email you. So make sure you remember this. Then tap on the next option. Now final step is for us to create a password. So once you type in your password, confirm your password and tap the next option, your Google account will be successfully created. This way you can make a Google account. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.